Welcome to the Complete PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure an outbound route. Click on PBX, then click on the External tab. Click on Outbound Routes from the dropdown. In the General section, enter the following information. In the Description field, enter a description that will help you identify the route. In the Trunks field, select the Voxtelesys SIP trunk. In the CID field, you can enter your company's name here, if this isn't already set in the SIP trunk configuration. The overwrite CID should be set to always if you'd like to use the CID associated with this outbound route. In the dial pattern section, show the following information in the prefix and pattern fields. Click on Save, then click on the reload icon. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an outbound route in Complete PBX. Check back for more videos on Complete PBX, as well as other helpful guides.